Well, going up all this well, so the video is going to be on the Angel and Crystal, and this is exactly what I'm talking about when I'm grown woman ish. So the Angel stopped by to wish Beenie man happy Father's Day, and Crystal was telling her that we need to see more of Pam.
You want bed up here, rely on and thing, and my daughter and my woman decides that they might turn it into one bar lounge, in our lounge. And yeah, you see it? Where there are swings and chairs sitting. So them call DJs in. And she did all of my house them and everything I have to deal with. And then, guess what them do for me? This is my Father's Day gift. So I just want to know what's my Father's Day gift expensive. Very expensive.
I'm here wondering if I have Pamela or Michelle. I don't know who I have this morning.
It's Michelle.
It's Michelle.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't turn on the show yet.
If you get 100,000 views, I know.
I didn't get it yet.
I know.
Alright, the fans need to work it out because we need Pamela back on air. Okay? Thank you.
100,000 views.
100,000.
That's all. 100,000 people. They might ask if I really Pamela this. Hey, they might ask if I really Pamela this.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, you
Bye.
too.